Welcome back, SalesTowners, and thanks for joining SalesTown. For any sales team, it is important to ensure that both old and new data is stored in one place. SalesTown helps you with bringing leads from external sources to our CRM system in an organized, effective, and hassle-free manner. With our advanced data mapping technology, you can quickly and reliably import all your leads into one centralized database. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to import leads directly from the spreadsheet and add them to the SalesTown workboard without any risk of duplicate data. Let's have a look at how to do this. First, go to Essentials on the main menu. Next, scroll down to Preference and click the User Data icon given on the left side of the window. In this window, go to the Import option. A window with an Import Data header will appear on your screen. There is a specific format of SalesTown CRM. For importing the leads, you need to download a respective spreadsheet format from the Download Format option, given next to the Import Lead button. To begin an import process, choose a file from your system. To import leads successfully, you need to include at least 2 fields, a pipeline, and a pipe stage where you need to import the leads. You can also click on the checkbox, Merge Duplicate Lead. If there are any duplicate data of any lead, it will sync with the new one. In the end, click on the Import Lead button. After this, your leads will get imported to your workboard window on a particular pipeline. You can also import contacts, prospects, and products from your system in the same manner if needed. Have you seen how useful this feature is for any sales team? This importing service will save your time and money while giving you a greater understanding of the leads and giving your sales team more control for better management. This is how SalesTown CRM helps you to ease your work in a streamlined manner. There are many more such wonderful features to unlock. If you have any questions regarding SalesTown CRM, feel free to write in the comment section of this video. Please press the like button, subscribe to SalesTown, and hit a bell icon to keep yourself updated with our next tutorial video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching and happy selling!